Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my most special recipes and most used recipes. It's my classic chocolate chip cookies, and these are the perfect chocolate chip cookie that you would like. Very chewy, very dense and delicate at the same time. It's so easy to make, so fast. You don't even need a stand and mixer or any equipment really, so let's start with the recipe. So first of all, I'm going to start off by melting my butter. Yes, it's so weird, but we do not have to cream the butter in this recipe, and it still is perfect every time. For the dry ingredients, of course, I'm going to use some all-purpose flour, to which I'm going to add baking soda and some corn flour. It's very important in this recipe. It really gives the cookie this perfect texture at the end of the recipe, so you have to use the cornstarch, not just all-purpose flour. And I'm also going to add a large teaspoon of salt. We need the salt in this recipe. It balances out the sweetness from the chocolate. It's amazing. And of course, I'm going to add also some vanilla extract. I'm going to mix that well, and then we can work on the liquid ingredients. Perfect, so my butter is now melted and it's looking divine. I'm going to add the white sugar, and I'm also going to use some dark brown sugar, very important for the taste but also the texture as well. I'm going to mix that well. Great, now we can add one large egg and one egg yolk. This will bring moisture and richness, and we can mix one more time. Great, our cookie dough is almost ready, and it was so fast. As you can see, I'm just going to add my chocolate chips in my flour mixture, and then I will add them to the mix, and that's it. I'm going to mix that well with my spatula. Since we're using melted butter in this recipe, the texture of your cookie dough would be a bit different. What we need though is to actually let it rest at least 2 or 3 hours in the fridge until it firms up completely. It is very important, and then we can finally bake the cookies. So my cookie dough has chilled completely in the fridge for about 2 hours. It is time to use any sort of equipment you would like. I'm just going to form balls out of my cookie dough, and then I'm going to finally bake my cookies in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. That's about 350 in Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes. The timing is very crucial here. You do not want to overbake your cookies, or they will be too tough and crisp, and this is exactly not what we are looking for here. We need chewy cookies, and then we can finally eat them. And there it is, this recipe is already done, and as you can see, it was very fast and easy to do. This is a recipe that you need to try and adopt, and believe me, you will always use it when you will make cookies in the future. It's so easy, it's so convenient, and it's so good and perfect every time. Please try this recipe. You can find the list of the ingredients down below this video, as well as my social media, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you really like this video, and give me a like, and I will see you very soon for another amazing sweet recipe. Bye!